Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the review of the new Portronics Gadget Cleaner. So this gadget cleaner actually my wife gifted me, and this is one of the best gadget cleaner out there in the market. I have used it to clean my AirPods, I have used it to clean my keyboard once, I use it to clean my screen. There is a duster, there are multiple components in that. So stay tuned and go ahead and check out this video fully. Let's get started. Hello, back with a new video. So here is the gadget cleaner, guys. This it got towed off. I have been using this for a while now. It's from Portronics. It's a great company, 18-in-1 cleaner, and you can see so many cleaning tools in this. It's very good actually, and these are the all set of tools which you get, and 1 year warranty is also there. My wife, she removed it because she gave me a gift. So let's open it. While opening, actually it got towed off, but let me open it properly now. This is how it looks, as this. This is a cleaner, guys, so you can clean anything which you spray on any of the glass or something. So this is also a part of the cleaner, this portion. Now you get this. Oh, it's from this side. Yeah, it's from this side. So as you can see, guys, this is the cleaner set. So the liquid which I was talking was this one. So see, you have multiple tools. This is the one for very deep curves, deep cleanings. This is one for flat surfaces. Let me actually open and show it to you one by one. As you can see, this is the casing, and this is the one which cleans the grooves. This is the liquid spray. It's hard to open because they are packed properly. This is the liquid spray. You have a spray also, and this is generally used for cleaning screens or something. Next you have this. This is a triangular screener which I don't know actually where we use this, but this is also a cleaning stuff. This is a circular one. This is the brush. Oops. This is a brush. You generally use it for multiple cleaning things. Then let me focus. Yeah, this brush you generally use for cleaning the wholey section. Like basically, consider if there is a ear tip like this. Let me open it. This type of stuff can be cleaned. Actually, if I open it, it gets paired with my phone. That is a big problem. Then you have one more brush over here. This is for deep cleans. Basically, say you have a AirPods like earbud, suppose. Then there is a stick right to that, so you can put in that and clean it. Similarly, this section, this is also for that. This is again for something else, I don't know. This is a keyboard key picker. In the keyboard you can pick the key using this. There is a small brush over here. This is another keyboard picker. It's another brush similar to like this. Then you have a key cleaner here. So inside between the keys you clean it with this, and there's a SIM ejector tool. You have it. So it's a great product, guys. I generally use to clean my earbuds. I have to clean my phone. Generally, the places, the ports actually, basically the the speaker vents and the earpiece wherever you talk, right? That earpiece and the Type-C port. These can be easily cleaned using this gadget cleaner, and it's very handy. Also, it's very small, compact. As you can see, you can carry it anywhere you want if you want to, and it's a great product, guys, for people who generally travel a lot, and if there is a lot of dust going into such tiny devices like earphones, or say for that matter a mobile phone or a keyboard where you work and you have a work setup, and then you eat something at that work setup and something falls off on the keyboard. So cleaning that is very essential to make it work properly. So this gadget cleaner is an all-in-one gadget cleaner. As you can see, I'll give you a close look. It's an all-in-one gadget cleaner which will serve all the multi-purpose options so that you can clean your gadgets. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to go for this, you will be able to get it, I think, for approximately 600-700, I believe. So you can go ahead and purchase this on Amazon, and this is a great product for, as I mentioned earlier, it's a great product for those whose desk or whose items are totally cluttered with dust. Cleaning is must, guys. Keep your gadgets safe and clean. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next video. Stay tuned. Catch you guys later.